rain's finally stopped. We had a bunch of rain on Friday and a bunch of rain this morning and late last night. And I've not got any sawing done at all. It totally ruined my plans for Friday and Saturday, but it's fairing up this afternoon, and hopefully this coming week we're going to have good weather every day. But out here today, what I'm going to do is I got this big red oak log here beside me. And we started splitting that a few weeks ago, and I didn't get it split that day, and the reason being it wasn't green. This log has been down for several years. I got it from a tree company, and he brought it here about 2 years ago, and I think he had it for maybe close to a year, and it's a big red oak. And if that thing would have been green the day that we did the first video on splitting it, it would have split wide open because the grain is perfectly straight. There's no deviations at all or no twist. But since that, I've been waiting on a new tool, and I got that tool for Father's Day this year, and we're going to be using that today to hopefully get this log split open the rest of the way. Here's what I've been waiting on. This is a hydraulic tool kit, which is pretty much made for automotive guys, for more so for body work on vehicles. It's got a bunch of different attachments in it to work off the hydraulic pump right there. And the main one I was after was this one right here, which is like a little alligator kinda. Will open right up, and I'm hoping I can get that in there in the kerf we already have on this log with a wedge and get it to open the rest of the way. I got this log flipped over to the way I want it. The total length of this log is 14 foot, which is too long for the kiln. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it in half and have 2 7 and about 4 inch long logs here, which is plenty long enough for furniture, because it's going to make some really nice quarter sawn wide boards. It's going to make it a lot easier to split. Splitting a 7 footer is going to be a whole lot easier than splitting the 14 footer. It also gives me a good reason to bring out the MS880 right here with the brand new bar that I got for it. This is a 4-foot bar that goes on. She is definitely a cracker. And the main reason we done this was because this log was about 6 inches too big in diameter for the wood-mizer. So instead of turning it into firewood, we put a little effort into it and split it. And now we'll get some nice quarter sawn boards here first of the week.